Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log in to Sandbox through Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, make sure that you have the access to this sandbox and make sure that the sandbox already exists in your organization. So otherwise, you can create your sandbox by simply going to the setup menu and then go to setup. And from there, in the quick find, you will need just to search for sandbox. So let's just type sandbox, and from here we will find sandboxes. And as you can see, I already have a sandbox that is still processing. So as you can see, the status is also still processing. And basically, you will need just to click on your sandbox. If you want to create one, you give it a name, and then you choose any alliances that you suits you. And from here, you will need to add uh, the users that have the access to your sandbox. So basically, you will need to click to create a public group in your Salesforce, so you can have public groups. You can search for public groups, and you can create one. And after that, you will need just to wait for the sandbox to process and finish, and then you will be able to connect to it. To do so, you will need just to connect to test.salesforce.com. Make sure to go to this URL. And as you can see from here, we will be able to log in to the sandboxes. And basically, all you need to do is to add your username here. So for example, if your username was force.com, for example, that's your username. So now you will need to append the name of your sandbox. In my case, my sandbox name is new. So basically, I will need just to type dot new, and from here you will need just to add your password for your account. You click on login to Sandbox, and you will be able to log in to Sandbox through Salesforce. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.